Hi everyone, so today's topic of discussion is dark circles. Now patients walk into my clinic and they expect a cream to be given to them which acts like a magic wand and removes their dark circle permanently. Now that's not going to happen. Now I'll tell you the reason why. Dark circle can be due to various causes. So one cream cannot be the answer to all the causes. We need to examine your dark circle, need to find out the cause behind the dark circle and then accordingly suggest you the treatment for dark circle. So you got it that one cream is not the magical wand, is not the magical answer for your dark circles. Now, very first reason why do you get dark circle is because of hollowness in the under eye region. Now, what happens is there is a fat into your cheek, there is a fat into your chin region everywhere. But because of passing years or maybe because of genetic predisposition, you start losing fat in the under eye region. When you lose fat in the under eye region, there is a hollowness. There is a depression or hollowness in the under eye region. Now, you know, there's a road and there is a certain depression in the road. Now, that depression looks dark. Why? Because of the light reflection. Unless we fill that hole or the depression in the road, it will not look smoothened out. It will not look normal in color. Any depression in the road, any hollowness in the road looks dark because of the reflection or the shadowing effect of the light. So if there is a hollowness under your eye because of fat loss, we need to fill that hollowness. Now, how do we fill that hollowness and smoothen out the skin in your under eye region is with a substance called filler. Now, filler is a thick transparent gel already available in the pre-filled syringe. We fill it under your skin. Immediately, instantly your skin fills up. Now, when that hollowness fills up, of course, the lightning effect, the shadowing effect will wane off and then there will be no more darkness. So, number one reason for dark circle is hollowness under eye region, which can be cured only by a filler. Number two reason is the skin around your eye region compared to the rest of your body is the thinnest. You have the thinnest skin in the under eye region. If you just, clench your cheeks, your cheeks are, if you pinch your cheeks, the cheek skin, you can feel it's pretty thick. But if you pinch the skin in the under eye region, you can feel it's very thin. Now, the very first signs of aging in your entire body are visible in the under eye region because the skin around the eyes is in maximum movement throughout the day. We are blinking every 2 seconds. The muscles are contracting. So the skin is constantly working. So that's why the skin around the eyes is thinnest and it shows the wrinkles and the crinkles, the very first signs of aging. When the skin in the under eye region crinkles, it becomes crinkly. Of course, again, because of the light effect and the shadowing effect, it looks darker. The region under the eye looks darker. If you just stretch your skin, if it becomes thick and taut, of course, there will be no darkness. So what we need to do is we need to make this thinned out skin thicker. Now, how to do that? As your walls are made up of brick, the skin is made up of collagen and elastin fibers. So we need to boost the skin to make new collagen and elastin. As the skin make new collagen and elastin, the thin skin become thicker and that's how it become tighter and tauter, less of wrinkles, less of reflection, less of darkness under eye region. Now, how do we achieve that? By microneedling and platelet-rich plasma. Microneedling is a device. Microneedling, a dermapen is a device which we just run in your under eye region, which boosts the skin to produce new collagen. PRP is a technique, platelet-rich plasma, where we take out your own blood, separate the growth factors from it and put it inside your skin. So it's a very natural procedure. Your own growth factors from your own blood immediately are put into your skin around the eyes. So that helps in healing of the skin, that boosts collagen production. So if new collagen and elastin is built up in the skin around your eyes, it will become thicker, less of crinkles, less of reflection, less of darkness. Lastly, what we can do is third major cause is deposition of dark color pigment or melanin around your eyes. If there is a dark color pigment melanin deposited around your eyes, then we need to remove that. What is the way? Peels, yellow peels. We apply a peel around your eyes, another 2 or 3 days, it actually peels off. You can see the white flakes coming off. When the superficial dead layer peels off, the black color deposited in it also peels off. No, it's not going to thin out your skin because we are not peeling off the normal layer of skin. We are just peeling off the superficial dead layer of the skin. And all the three procedures which I mentioned, they are very, very safe for your eyes. Microneedling, PRP and peeling, they do not affect your eyes at all. Both these procedures don't affect your eyes at all because we are just limiting ourselves to the superficial layer of the skin. We are not going deep inside the skin. So these three procedures, I hope you understand why you need to undergo procedures, because you need to hit the root cause. Unless you hit the root cause, you cannot expect results. Now, finally, in case you do not want to undergo these things, of course, we will be prescribing you one medicine which contain hydroquinone and retinoids, so that which takes care of removing the pigment up to certain extent, which takes care of building collagen into your skin and thickening the skin. But obviously, creams work slowly and it will give you only up to 10 to 15 or 20% of the results. So creams can be prescribed by the dermatologist, but you have to make your mind clear that they don't work up to that much extent, as much extent the procedures work. You can definitely use the creams, and you need to give creams at least 6 to 8 months time to show you good results. Another home remedy which I'll tell everybody is, first of all, do 2 minutes self massage around your eyes every day. Either you take a oil, either you take a moisturizer, or you take an aloe vera, and just do a self massage around eyes every day. That will promote lymphatic drainage. Now, lymphatic system, if it's blocked, so all the toxins are accumulated under your skin. If it is accumulated under your skin, obviously it will give rise to darkness and wrinkles. So to promote the lymphatic drainage is like a drainage system in the city which takes off all the toxins from the houses. So there is a drainage system in your skin also. So you need to promote that drainage so that the efficient flow of drainage is happening. You just need to do a self 2 minutes massage every day with either oil, aloe vera, or a moisturizer. Second thing which I always tell is, to reduce the occurrence of dark circles is, always use anti-glare specs. That is, if you have the specs, if you have the your eyesight is diminished, have a anti-glare coating into your glasses, because all of us are spending lots of time on your mobiles, on our laptops. So because we are shrinking our eyes like that thing, it puts a pressure on the skin. It makes it age faster. So always use an anti-glare coating onto your glasses. Even if you have no glasses, you buy the glasses of 0 number and have an anti-glare coating on them, and use them when you are using your mobiles or systems or your laptops for long hours. So I just conclude everything. Use anti-glare coating on your specs. Do a self 2 minute massage around your eye. You can consult your dermatologist for the anti-dark circles cream. They will work, but up to a limited extent only. Then there are 3 procedures, either filler, either microneedling with PRP, or peels, which can help you get rid of your dark circles. So consult your dermatologist if you are really serious of getting rid of your dark circles. And do take care of your skin. Keep smiling, and we'll meet you in the next video.